In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the pesky clock error message, "Your clock is behind," in Google Chrome. This error can be really frustrating, especially if you rely on accurate timekeeping for security and scheduling. Let's walk through each step to ensure we get this sorted out smoothly. First things first, you'll want to click on the Start menu. This is the Windows icon located on the bottom left corner of your taskbar. Once you've opened the Start menu, head straight to the search bar. Here, you'll type in Date and Time Settings and hit Enter to open up the Date and Time Settings window. This is where we'll make the necessary adjustments to our system's clock. Once you're in the Date and Time Settings, you'll need to check a couple of things. First, look at the option labeled Set Time Automatically. It's essential that this setting is turned on. Having this toggled ensures your system automatically gets the correct time from the internet, sparing you the hassle of manual adjustments. Go ahead and confirm that it's switched on. Next, let's look at another setting right below the first one. Set Time Zone Automatically. This one should also be turned on. This setting allows your computer to adjust the time zone based on your location, which is crucial if you've been traveling or moved recently. Turning this on can often resolve any discrepancies between your actual location and your computer's clock settings. Now, if after turning these on, the time is still not correct, don't worry. We have another trick up our sleeves. Turn both of those toggles off temporarily. Navigate to the Additional Settings section, and here you should see a button labeled Sync Now. Click on it. This button attempts to synchronize your computer's clock with internet time servers, ensuring that your clock aligns accurately with the global standard. Once you've synced up your clock, double-check to make sure it now displays the correct date and time. It should match your current local time. If it looks good, then you're almost done. The final step is to restart Google Chrome. This is important because it allows Chrome to refresh with the newly updated system time settings. Simply close all open Chrome tabs and then open the browser again. Once it's back up, try visiting the website that was giving you the error earlier. You should no longer see that "Your clock is behind" message, as your Chrome should now be functioning without a hitch. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for following along with us. Hopefully, this quick walkthrough has helped you resolve the clock error in Google Chrome. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. See you in the next video.